We again have a question based on ratios actually. So ratio and percentage is combined into one. All right. So two types of teas, A and B, are mixed and then sold at rupees 40 per kg. Okay. The profit is 10% if A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:2, and 5% if the ratio is 2:3. The cost prices per kg of A and B are in what ratio? Okay. So let me assume that the cost price of A and B are in that ratio only, A is to B. Okay. Or while writing, I'll let it A as B, or let's say it's A is to B. Chalo. All right. So if they are mixed in the ratio 3:2, that means you're taking 3 units of mixture A. So your cost price will be 3 into A. Plus, when you take 2 units of mixture B, your cost price will be 2 into B upon. They are mixing them, right? Mixing them matlab kya? 3 into A plus 2 into B divide by total kitna ho gaya? 3 plus 2, 5 units. Okay, this is the average price we have calculated. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss this concept of averages in detail in the in the upcoming classes after SI and CI. Okay, so I have found the average price, okay, for the entire mixture. वो हमने कैसे निकाला? Total cost price पहले वाले mixture का निकाला 3 into A, दूसरे का निकाला 2 into B divide by the total quantity of the mixture which is 5 units. Okay, इस पे you are making how much? You are making 10% profit. Okay, so multiply this with 1.1. Okay, this is your per kg selling price. Okay, which is given as 40 in the question, right? Rupees 40 per kg, isn't it? So this is equal to 40. Okay, now similarly guys, in the second case, what you're doing is you're mixing them in the ratio 2:3 and you're making 5% profit, right? That means you take 2 units of A, 3 units of B upon 5, the average cost price multiplied by 1.05 will be equal to again 40. Okay, so you can choose to either divide these two equations or you can simply equate them also, totally your choice. Okay, so let's say if I just equate them, I can write 3A plus 2B, 5 pehle kaat do. Okay, into 110 is equal to 2A plus 3B into 105. I've just removed the 2 decimal points. Okay, so ये 5 से जाएगा, 522s are, okay, 521s are. So you get 66A plus 44B, okay, equals to 42A plus 63B. Okay, taking the 42 on the left hand side and 44B on the right hand side, you will simply get 24A equals to 19B. That gives you A upon B. This is 19 by 24, or the required ratio is 19:24, right? This was a CAT 2018 question, guys, right? So we have solved one more CAT question. Oh, okay. Let's go on to the next question, guys. The next question says, find the selling price of goods if two salesmen claim to make 25% profit each, one calculating it on the cost price while another on the selling price, and the difference of profits earned being 100 rupees. Okay, and the selling price being same in both the cases. Okay, so as I was trying to say all this time, okay, if unless and otherwise specified, always assume that the profit is calculated out of the cost price. But यहाँ पे they are specifically mentioned, right, that the profit, okay, one person calculates on the cost price and other finds on the selling price. Okay, अगर ये नहीं दिया होता है, as I always told you, you better take it as the reference with the cost price. Okay, take it, with reference to the cost price. Okay, so let's go on to this question now. Two salesmen claim to make 25% profit each. Let's say pehla wala salesman, okay, S1, okay, he's getting the profit on the cost. Okay, so we'll assume the cost to be, let's say, 100 rupees. This person is making the profit, right? This person is making a profit that is equal to 25% of the cost, right? So for this person, the selling price will be how much? 25% of 100 is 25. So the selling price is 125. Okay, and if you observe carefully, the profit value is how much? 25 rupees. Okay, दूसरे case में the question tells that selling price is same, right? Second salesman S2, for him the selling price also is 125, but now he's calculating the profit out of the selling price only. So this person, by mistakenly, the second person, he calculates 25% or 1/4 of 125, and this is his profit value. So 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5 20, 31.25 rupees is the profit in the second case. Okay, now the difference of these two profits, guys, is 6.25. Okay, that's 6.25. Okay, but this corresponds to rupees 100 in the question, right? Okay, now what they're asking you, okay, find the selling price of the goods, right? Selling price हमारे लिए क्या है 125. So 6.25 corresponds to 100, then 125 would correspond to what? Okay, you can cross multiply. Okay, you'll get the question mark का value as 100 multiplied by 125 divided by 6.25. You can take it as 625, वापस 100 से multiply कर दो. Okay, directly काफी easy हो जाएगा solve करना. So 25 125 जाता है, I guess 625 से, I think it's 5 times if I'm not wrong. Yes. Okay, and 520s are 20 into 100 is basically 2000. So the answer required is 2000.